In today's world, every business decision is shaped by data, and companies that understand their data are leading every industry. Data analytics has become the backbone of innovation, growth, and smarter decision-making across every sector. From hospitals to global banks, from retailers to supply chains, analytics is transforming how industries operate. And with this rapid transformation, the demand for skilled data analysts is growing faster than ever before. Excel remains the #1 analysis tool used by millions of professionals to understand data and drive decisions. SQL allows businesses to manage, query, and explore massive amounts of data with incredible speed and accuracy. Power BI helps create clear dashboards and insights that leaders use to take confident business decisions. And GenAI is taking analytics to a new level, helping analysts work faster and automate complex tasks. When you combine Excel, SQL, Power BI, and GenAI, you become a complete data professional for the future. These skills help you solve real business problems and position yourself for strong career growth. Careers in data analytics offer stability, high demand, strong salaries, and long-term opportunities. And that is why learning analytics now can open doors to some of the most in-demand roles in the world. To help you start, iTech Analytic Solutions presents our New Year 2026 Career Accelerator in Data Analytics and Reporting using GenAI Mega Offer. Our Career Accelerator program, earlier priced at 85,000 plus GST, is now available for 45,000 plus GST only. You also get an Excel certification worth 10,000 rupees and bonus content worth 50,000. Offer valid till 25th December 25.